Meaning of fraction.
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 Fraction. A fraction is a numerical expression that represents part of a whole. It is written as one integer, the numerator, divided by another integer, the denominator, separated by a horizontal line. The numerator is the number of parts being considered, and the denominator is the total number of equal parts in the whole. Fractions can represent numbers less than 1, such as 3/5 or 1/2, as well as numbers greater than 1, such as 7/4 or 11/3. Fractions are used in math to represent quantities that are not whole numbers, such as measurements or portions of a whole.